The GAP group is in the equipment rental sector, covering everything from a half-inch drill to a welfare unit to large pumps to large excavators. We have ongoing rising manufacturer costs and fuel costs, so we have to work smarter and more efficiently. The other challenge we faced was, how do we know that we're buying the right equipment? Which equipment is serviced or damaged more often than others? Which equipment costs us more to run? The first thing was that the system we produced had to look like the paper system to get buy-in from our teams. If we've needed a tweak, the tweak can be made quickly without issue, and they're very focused on making sure the interaction with the user is as smooth and streamlined as possible. Without our users buying into the product, the whole project would have been a failure. We can produce and manipulate the management information, get out of it, and we can share that with our supply chain to suggest improvements, and we can supply it to our training team to suggest training, and the whole process just means our business is more efficient.